Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover data menu. Let's begin. There are 6 sections. First section is Get and Transform. Second section is Connection. Third section is Sort and Filter. Fourth section is Data Tools. Fifth section is Forecast. And sixth section is Outline. Let's begin with first section. That is Get and Transform. We can get data from MS Access, from web, from text, and from other sources. We have, from SQL Server, from Analysis Services, from Windows Azure Marketplace, from OData Data Feed, from XML Data Import, from Data Connection Wizard, and from Microsoft Query. Also, we can get data from existing connections. Under New Query, we have from File, from Database, from Azure, from other sources. Under Combine Queries, we have Merge, Append and Launch Query Editor. We can import data from Power BI Data Catalog using Data Catalog Search option. We can view list of queries sent to Power BI Data Catalog using My Data Catalog Queries option. We can manage data source settings and manage query options. We can view list of queries in Workbook using Show Queries option. We can create new query link to selected Excel table using From Table option. We can manage and connect to recent sources. Next section is Connections. Under Refresh All, we have Refresh All, Refresh, Refresh Status, Cancel Refresh and Connection Properties. We can display all connections, get connection properties, and edit links. Next section is Sort and Filter. We can sort A to Z and Z to A. We can apply filter, clear filter, reapply filter, and apply complex criteria for filter using advanced option. Next section is Data Tools. We can convert text to columns. We can automatically fill in values using Flash Fill. We can remove duplicates. Under Data Validation, we have Data Validation, Circle Invalid Data, and Clear Validation Circles. We can consolidate results in a single output range. We can create and edit relationship between tables. And we can manage data model. Next section is Forecast. Under What If Analysis, we can use Scenario Manager, Goal Seek, and Data Table. We can create new worksheet to predict data trends using Predict Sheet option. Next section is Outline. Under Group, we have Group and Auto Outline. Under Ungroup, we have Ungroup and Clear Outline. We can quickly calculate rows of related data by inserting subtotals and totals using Subtotal button. We can show detail and hide detail. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can buy ebook on Microsoft Excel interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.